In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush effectively. Semrush is a powerful tool for improving your website's SEO performance and maximizing your visibility online. Let's dive into how you can use its features to gain a competitive edge. First, open your preferred browser and search for Semrush. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. If you're already a user, click on the Login button, but if you're new to Semrush, select the Sign Up option to create an account. Now that you're in, you'll have access to a suite of tools designed to boost your online presence. Let's start with the Keyword Magic tool. This feature is instrumental in discovering relevant keywords by entering a seed keyword. It explores related terms while offering insights into search volume and keyword difficulty, among other key metrics. This exploration is crucial for identifying high-potential keywords relevant to your niche. Next, move on to the Keyword Overview tool, which provides a deeper analysis of individual keywords. This tool gives you a better understanding of their search volume, difficulty level, and other essential data. Armed with this knowledge, you can select keywords that align with your SEO strategy. The Keyword Gap tool is your gateway to comparing your website's keywords with those of your competitors. This feature will help you identify potential opportunities for keywords you may have missed. It's a great way to find new angles for content that can help you rank higher. For a comprehensive look at a competitor's online presence, use the Domain Overview. It analyzes a competitor's website, detailing their traffic sources, backlinks, top keywords, and overall SEO performance. Understanding your competition's strategies can be enlightening for your own growth. Then, check out the Organic Research tool. This tool reveals the keywords your competitors are currently ranking for, which helps you spot potential content gaps in your own website. Filling these gaps can improve your online reach. Site Audit will become your new best friend in identifying and fixing technical SEO issues on your website. This includes detecting broken links, slow loading pages, and other problems hindering your search ranking. Ensuring your site runs smoothly and efficiently is foundational to successful SEO. The On-Page SEO Checker offers personalized recommendations for optimizing individual pages, from title tags to meta descriptions, helping you refine your on-page elements for better results in search engines. For content creation, the SEO Writing Assistant guides you in making your writing more SEO-friendly by analyzing factors such as readability and tone. Complementing this, the Content AI feature helps generate and structure content ideas optimized for SEO. Backlink Analytics is another powerful tool, helping you scrutinize your backlink profile and find new opportunities for acquiring quality backlinks. Use the Backlink Gap tool to compare your backlinks with competitors, unveiling possible link-building prospects. Lastly, stay constantly updated on your performance with position tracking. This tool lets you monitor how your website and your competitors rank for specific keywords, giving you a clear picture of where you stand and where improvements are needed. And there you have it. Using these Semrush tools effectively will empower your SEO strategy, helping you achieve better visibility and success online. Thank you for watching, and happy optimizing.